to some more breaking inputs coming in. This is with regards to the wrestler's sexual assault case against BJP leader Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. In fact, we are now learning that Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has refused to plead guilty before the Delhi court. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh has in fact gone on to say that I'm innocent and I have made no mistake. I do not plead guilty. This after the entire case has in fact been caught in controversy, more so also because his son Karan Sharan Singh has also been given a ticket from the Kesarganj seat. Let's quickly go across to Ananya, who's joining me on the phone line. Ananya, could you please expand on what Brij Bhushan has to say?
Well, big developments happening in the wrestler's sexual assault case. Remember that Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh was somebody against whom the court had ordered trimming of charges on the last date of hearing. And now today he had appeared before the court and very clearly stated that he does not plead guilty into this case. And in fact, going on to say that मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है और plead guilty करने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता is what were his exact words before the court. He says that I won't plead guilty in this particular case. I will claim trial. And the matter would now, go on for a trial in this particular case. And another development happening in this is that the another accused, Vinod Tomar, has also stated that, he is not pleaded guilty. In fact, what he says before the court, and I quote, नहीं झूठ है सारा, हमारे पास पूरा एविडेंस है, घर पर कभी नहीं बुलाया, डांटना धमकाना नहीं है, सब झूठे allegations हैं, is what he goes on to say. In fact, that, there is all of these in nature, and if somebody who's not called any of these wrestlers to his house, and all of these allegations are fake, is what he goes on to say, and pleads not guilty in this particular case. In fact, also going on to say that he has evidence to prove his case, and very clearly pleads a trial in this case and says that I'm not guilty of this particular offenses and charges that have been framed against me.
Right.
And very clearly and categorically, Akansha, big development is that is coming across when it comes to this whole wrestler sexual assault case.
Absolutely, even more so when days ago the Delhi court had in fact said that there was enough incriminating evidence to frame charges of sexual assault and outraging of modesty of women against Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. A big development being shared by Ananya over there. And with that, it's time for a quick break. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay tuned to CNN News 18.